When making drawings, a lot of times you need a general notes section, as seen here. So to add that to your standard drawing template, you'll want to not be in the normal sheet editing. You want to be in the edit sheet format workspace. You can then go to annotation and note, click. You can, I just pasted mine in. You would want to make all of these specific to the part that you're making. But when this is part of your template, this will always show up when you create a new sheet, and then you can just edit it from there. And let's say that it was in the way of where you were needing to place part of your geometry. In order to move it, you would go to Edit Sheet, and you could pop that to somewhere where it's not in the way.